Everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So should we take a look at Eureka Crystal Beads' newest collection? It's called Wild West Wonders Beads, and I took a little peek inside, but I have not seen the beads, all of the beads, so this is going to be exciting. We'll open it together. So for those of you who are not familiar with their collections, they're not a subscription. They are a beautifully curated collection of beads, findings, all kinds of beading goodies that they offer on their website monthly, most of the time. Sometimes they skip a month or two, but you can take a look at them, purchase them if you love them. You get a pretty substantial discount if you purchase the whole collection. However, you can also purchase the beads individually. They have those listed individually as well. Okay, let's open it up and get a look at the beads. Let's do a full unboxing. We haven't done one of these in a long time. So here we go. Here's the bag. Here is how it comes. Let me just push my lights out of the way for a second. So here we have, first of all, we have a little inspiration paragraph, and here's the list of everything that's in the collection. So it comes beautifully packaged in tissue, and then when you open it up, this is what it looks like. So you have this beautiful inspiration picture, and look at those cowboy boots, love it, and the hat. And so this is going to be the theme of the collection. So I'm just going to pull everything out, and then we'll take a look at the beads individually. The color story before we take everything apart. So beautiful turquoise, very southwestern looking copper. We've got some brass. Look at all the brass findings and bronze. Really beautiful. We've got some stones here. Look at this this button. It looks like a belt buckle. We'll take it all out. So I just want you to get a look at our list here. So everything has a category. So we have seed beads, check glass beads, Krakowski crystal, elite crystal, gemstone beads, beads, findings, and you've got some cord here. Everything is identified by this SKU number. So this number identifies this item. So you can always type this number into their search bar and this item will come up if you want to reorder. As before, here is the little inspiration paragraph, which I'll let you read on your own. So I'm going to take everything out, and we'll start with the seed beads. First up, one of my favorites, and that is the Miyuki 11-0 seed bead in metallic light bronze. This is something we've used so much on my channel, and I love those. And then look at these. I thought these were just, sort of turquoise Picasso, but they're actually a mix. So let's pull them. Let's take some out so you can see. They're all the same color, but they're a mix. You've got a 15-0, I think an 11-0, and an 8-0. So all different sizes of the same color, and I love that. That's really beautiful. We have these beautiful bugle beads in Miyuki, 6mm bugle beads, and this beautiful turquoise color. Oh, I love that. That's so pretty. And then we have a Toho treasure. Okay, so this is a cylinder bead, and this color is opaque frosted oxblood, so a reddish brown. Very nice combination. Very, very Western, isn't it? Beautiful. Next up we have fire polish, and look at this great copper color. So this is a 4mm fire polish bead, and it actually has the color. So that's matte metallic antique copper. Gorgeous. I love it. And then we have check glass, and you get 50 beads to the strand. Check glass English cut beads, 3mm strand of 50 as well. And these look just like they're jet to me. So very beautiful. I love that copper, so pretty. Continue on with the check glass. We have a 2-hole super duo, and this is a turquoise. And then we've got and you get a 2.5-inch tube. And then we have the ginkgo leaf, 2-hole ginkgo leaf. I love using these. I have several videos using these ginkgo beads. And it's bronze Apollo turquoise. That's really a pretty color, isn't it? I love that color combo. Really, really beautiful. We have some Krakowski crystal, and we have a crystal accent mix, pack of 12. So you get some 14mm Rivolis, and that's such an interesting color. I'm trying to see. It's got like, it's like a deep gray maybe, but it's got like little sort of spots. It's hard for me to describe. They're really pretty though. Then we've got, look at these cushion cuts. So that's a pretty sort of aqua or turquoisey blue color with a coating on it. And then we've got some chatons here, and look at these little 12 millimeter Rivolis. So a really pretty mix, very deserty looking, very Western looking. Sparkles. Really pretty. We have these Krakowski crystal pearls, and these are 4 millimeter pearls. You get a strand of 100, and look at that gorgeous color. I can't really describe what it is. It's sort of a bronzy, little bit of copper, but I mean, there's a little bit of a rainbow. I don't know if that's just my lights, but these are gorgeous. Really pretty. Austrian crystal brand. And these are some 4 millimeter bicones. You get a pack of 24 in this pretty turquoise color. So beautiful, so sparkly. Love those. Next up, some of my favorites, the gemstone beads. We have natural Amazonite, 8 millimeter cube gemstone beads. Look at these, they're like sort of odd shaped cubes. Really very, obviously very natural, very like from the earth. So, so pretty. I love those. You get a pack of 15, and then high-grade faceted gemstone beads. You get a full strand here. This says, I think it's a turquoise mix, probably, and that looks like about a 3 millimeter to me. Isn't that gorgeous? That's a lot of beads. It's a big, very long strand. So, so pretty. Let's look at the findings. So we have a symbol, I don't know how to pronounce that, bead ending for 8OC beads. And I think that's that ending right there, like you would put that in between 8OC beads. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I love that. It's like a fan. And then we've got some, so you get 2 of those, and we've got some ear wires round with 2 millimeter ball. They're 25 millimeter. Oh, that's pretty. And you get 2 pair of those. These are pretty. We've got a lucky horseshoe slider bead, 7 by 8 millimeters. So here's the hole right there, and that's so you're just going to slide that in between something. And then look at this cool clasp. So you get 4 of those, and then we've got a feather, a round clasp with a feather bar, so that's pretty. Love that. And what's this? Do we have a size on that? 13 millimeters. You get 1 set. So next up we have some Eureka Basics crimp tubes, 2 millimeter. You get a pack of 50. So sort of your standard crimp beads, and these are, I think these are in, they're like a bronze color. And then this guy, which is so pretty, that looks like a belt buckle. This is a button, Western button, oval, 25 millimeter. You get 1 piece. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I love that. That's gorgeous. That could be pretty maybe as like part of a necklace, like, like a lariat necklace, right? Very Western. Last but not least, we have some cord, Griffin natural silk bead cord. You get 2 meters, and this is in a really pretty sort of brownish color. So very nice. So let me put this out, and we'll take a look at everything. Eureka Crystal Beads Wild West Wonders collection, and I think it's so, so pretty. I mean, these colors, they're just right up I just love them. Turquoises and bronzes and coppers, just gorgeous. I'll put a link in the description box below the video to this collection, to their page, collection page, so you can look at the beads individually if you like. So I want to thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.